Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate the followers option on Facebook. If you want people to follow your Facebook profile without adding you as friend, you can enable the follower option. So to get started, firstly open the Facebook app on your device, and from here you need to select three-lined menu in the top left. So from here you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the setting and privacy, and select that, and under here you need to select setting again. So from here under the setting and privacy, scroll a bit down until you find this audience and visibility, and from here select this how people find, select followers and public content, and from here you need to select this who can follow me in the top, and from here you can find this public. You need to select public, and anyone on Facebook can choose to follow your profile even if they're not on your friend list. And that is it. That is how you can activate the follower option on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.